You are watching Rogue News.
Wildfires embody the dual nature of nature's fury and human influence. Ignited by the sheer force of lightning or the accidental outcomes of human activities, their destructive power escalates rapidly. Understanding their origins, from the natural marvel of a lightning strike in a parched forest to the negligence of an unattended campfire, is crucial in preventing them. This understanding emphasizes our role in both causing and preventing wildfires, marking the importance of knowledge and action. Creating a defensible space around homes is essential, serving as a critical buffer. Through regular property checks, homeowners can spot and rectify potential fire hazards. This segment highlights the importance of preparedness and awareness in protecting our communities and natural environments from wildfires. Preparation stands as our steadfast ally in the face of wildfires, safeguarding our homes and cherished memories. Establishing a defensible space, devoid of dense vegetation, is a critical step in mitigating wildfire risks. The choice of fire-resistant materials for construction and landscaping with fire-resilient plants serves as a further bulwark against flames. Beyond physical preparations, being ready for potential evacuation is paramount. Emergency kits, filled with essentials for several days, alongside a rehearsed evacuation plan, ensure swift and focused action during emergencies. As we transition to recognizing evacuation signals, understand that staying informed and prepared turns a challenging evacuation into a structured, serene process. Let's delve into identifying when it's time to evacuate, emphasizing preparedness and adaptability. As we reach the climax of our journey in wildfire preparedness, deciding to evacuate becomes a pivotal moment where the right decision is crucial for safety. Recognizing evacuation cues goes beyond simple vigilance. It involves discerning nature's subtle signs before a wildfire's imminent arrival. Leveraging technology for real-time alerts is crucial, but preparation is key. A solid evacuation plan, honed through practice, ensures that instinct and readiness lead to safety. Evacuation emerges as a crucial facet of wildfire safety, underscoring the importance of today's preparedness for tomorrow's uncertainty. Let the knowledge you've gained, the plans you've made, and your heightened awareness serve as your shield against wildfires. In understanding that to be forearmed is to be forewarned, we see the power of action, planning, and vigilance in ensuring safety. You are watching Rogue News. We are AI-driven news for real people.